YouTubers, we are back continuing our 50 Shades of Health and Beauty videos. Today I am talking about kissable lips and how we can achieve that naturally hydrated, luscious lips. Okay, so let's start here. Ladies, listen closely. I'm a makeup artist. I come to you, I do your makeup, I get to your lips, and I get nervous because they're dry. And then you say to me, can I have a matte lip? And you're like, oh, not a matte lip. It's gonna dry them out even worse. So I say, okay. So I'm applying it, and it's like applying it to like a cat tongue. Everybody know what a cat tongue feels like? You want it to feel good, but it doesn't, okay? So in the back of my head, I'm saying, maybe she doesn't even have Vaseline at home. It's okay. So I have decided to create this regimen for you so that you ever have to deal with that, okay? So I'm starting out with a do-it-yourself DIY, which everybody only says that anymore, DIY. Like it's not even like, oh, you did it yourself. You don't just say that, DIY. But anyway, I did a DIY lip scrub, all natural at home. So as a makeup artist, I wanted to come up with a quick fix to solve this problem. So this is how we make our lip scrub, which by the way, can be used all over your entire body, in the shower, on your dry elbows. Nothing I hate worse. So we are going to start with sugar in the raw. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't do all this measuring ever. I tried to make oatmeal cookies one time. It didn't work out for me. So I'm gonna use extra sugar because I want it super, super exfoliating. Okay. Next, I'm gonna use my organic raw honey, which I'll show you, it's hard like this. It's not like your regular, like, I'm gonna put this on my oatmeal honey. It's like a chunk of honey. Oh, it's hard to get out too. It smells fabulous. I love honey. Honey, I love honey. Okay, we got our honey. Then we're gonna put in our coconut oil. We know how fabulous this is. I love these little things. These tiny little tongue depressors. Fabulous. Okay, then we're gonna squeeze in our lemon. Who doesn't love lemon? Okay. And let's see what we got. If you're feeling like it's not a pasty consistency, you can always add a little bit more lemon. I'm making a mess. When you can smell all of the ingredients, like the lemon and the honey. Sexy lips for days. And there you have it, voila. So I'm not really a measurer. I just kind of added in what I thought and mixed it until it was this consistency. And I would say the shelf life on this is no more than 2 weeks. We don't want anything crazy to happen. And you should not exfoliate your lips any more than twice a week because we don't want to ruin the natural properties our body does for us. So here we go. I'm gonna take a little bit here on my little natural stick. And I use my finger for everything. If you don't feel comfortable using your finger, you can use a little bristled brush. So I'm gonna apply it. I hope everybody saw how dry my lips were because they were very dry. Oh, it tastes good. So once you get a generous amount on there, you're gonna wanna use a circular motion to really exfoliate that skin off. Oh my God, it feels so good. And the honey, yummy. I love it. And you can feel the hydration like sinking in and all that, those skin particles. So after you're done in that circular motion, I actually take my lips and press them together to really get the benefits. And then you don't really want to wipe it all off. You want to just take maybe like a damp cloth and just pat it so that you don't ruin all that work you just did for yourself. And there you have it. Exfoliating, fabulous, hydrating, bright, shiny lips. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe and do that thing with the bell, okay?